In the last video, we spoke about how to add and subtract binary numbers. In this video, we will multiply and divide binary numbers. Let's start with the multiplication. Just like how we multiply with normal numbers. If I say 25 multiplied by 10, first we start with the 0. So 0 and 5 is 0 as well as for 2. Then we shift one time to the left by adding a 0 and then we start with 1. 1 and 5 is 5 and 1 and 2 is 2, so we got 250. Same with binary numbers. So if I gave you 101 multiplied by 10, 5 multiplied by 2 should give us 10. So we start with the 0, 0, 0, 0, then we shift once to the left and then start with 1. 1 and 1 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1. So we add them, 1, 0, 1 and 0, we got 10. Now that's a hack. When you multiply a number by 2, always add 1 0 at the end, okay? If you multiply a number by 4, all you need to do is copy the number itself and add 2 zeros. If you multiply by 8, add 3 zeros. By 16, 4 zeros, and so on. So if I tell you 111 multiplied by 10, 7 multiplied by 2. Now as I told you earlier, whenever you multiply a number by 2, only add a 0 and then copy the number. And yep, we have right now 14. Let's try 15 multiplied by 5. So we'll start with 1. 1 and 1 is 1 as well as for the other ones. Now, the 0 is actually useless, so there's no need to shift one time and do for the 0. What I'll do is I'll shift 2 times and start with the 1. So 1, 1 is 1 and as well as for the others. What I'll do now, I'll add those numbers. 1, 0 is 1 as well as for this one. 1, 1 is 0, carry over a 1. 1, 1 is 0, carry over a 1. 0 and 1 is 1. 0, carry over a 1, 0, carry over a 1, and the 1 will slide down. Let's convert this to decimal. 64 plus 8 is 72 plus 3 is 75. So 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. For now, it's actually easy. So if I tell you 100, which is 8, multiplied by 100, which is 4. As I told you earlier, when we multiply a number by 4, all we need to do is add 2 zeros and then copy the number itself. So if I transform this to decimal, this one is 25, and so 25 is equal to 32, and so 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Alright, if I gave you 101101, which is 45, multiplied by 6, make sure to pause this video and do it on your own. As I said, this 0 is actually useless, so there's no need to do it. But first I need to shift once to the left and start with this 1. So 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, and so on for the others. Then I need to shift 2 times to the left, and so to start with this 1, so 1 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 0, and so on for the others. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry over a 1. 256 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 is 270. So 45 multiplied by 6 is 270. For now, we're done of the multiplication. Let's go for the division. If I told you 4 divided by 2, of course it's 2, but how do we do it in binary? First, let's consider that 1 is the answer. If I say 1 is the answer, 10 multiplied by 1 should give us over here 1, and that's not the case, it's 4. So I can't consider 1. I'll delete it. What if I consider 2? If I consider 2 here, 10 multiplied by 10 will give us actually this number inside. So if I say 100 and I subtract those numbers, I'll get a remainder of 0. And so the answer is actually 2. Now if I say 9 divided by 3, we know that the answer should be 3. But how to do it right now in binary? So first, if I consider 2 as the answer, we know that if we multiply a number by 2, all we need to do is add a 0 and then copy the number. What I'll do now is subtract those numbers. 1, 0 is 1. We need to borrow a 1. And from this one also, so this one will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. As you can see, we have the number itself over here. So the number itself multiplied by 1 will give us the number itself. So all we need to do is consider 1. And 1 multiplied by 1 will give us, of course, 1, 1. and so the remainder is 0 and the answer is 3. Then let's say 15 divided by 5. If I consider 2, all I need to do is add a 0, then add the number itself. Now I'm gonna subtract the numbers, so 0, 1, 0, and 1. As you can see, we got the number itself. What we'll do next is, I'll add a 1 over here, so 1 multiplied by 101 is actually 101, and so we got 0, and the answer is 3. Now let's say 25 divided by 5. We know that the answer is 5, so we cannot consider 2, right? If I consider 2, I'll get 0, 1, 0, 1. That's a very small number, so we can't do it. What I'll do is, this time I'll consider 4. So I'll put the 1 over here. If I consider 4, that means I want to add 2 zeros. So I'll add 2 zeros and then copy the number itself. Now what I'll do, I'll just subtract the numbers. 1, 0, borrow a 1 from this one will become 2, 1, 0, and 0. As you can see, we got the number itself, so all we need to do is multiply it by 1 and we'll get the remainder of 0, and so we got also the answer, which is 5. Now if I told you to divide 36, 100, by 6, definitely the answer is 6. Definitely I won't consider 2, because if I consider 2, I'll just add 1 0 and then add the number itself, and so the number is very small, so definitely I won't go for this number. Instead, I'll consider 4. When I consider 4, that means I want to add 2 zeros. So instead, I'll write 2 zeros and then copy the number itself. So 1, 1, 0. Now I'll subtract the numbers. 0, 0, 1. I'll borrow a 1 from this one, as well as from this one. This will become 2, 1, and 0. As you can see, we have 1, 1, 0, 0. What we'll do now, I'll just consider 2. When I consider 2, I need to add 1 0 to my number. So 0 and then copy the number itself. Now we'll get a remainder of 0, and so the answer is 6. Now let's do an exercise to really see if you understood. I want you to multiply 58 and 6. So 58 is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 multiplied by 6, which is 1, 1, 0. So pause this video and do it on your own. We can forget about the 0 and start with the 1. So I'll shift 1 time to the left, and 1 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, and so on for the other numbers. Then I'll shift 2 times to the left and start with this one. So 1 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 1 is 1, so on for the others. Now I'll just add the numbers. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, carry over a 1, 1, carry over a 1, 0, and this one will slide down. So 256 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 will give us 348. So 58 multiplied by 6 is actually 348. And next, let's try to divide 90 by 6. So 10111010 divided by 6. So pause this video and try it on your own. So if I consider 8, that means I'll add 3 zeros to my original number. So I'll get 110 followed by 3 zeros. Now I'll subtract those numbers. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. This one will become 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. If I consider 4, that means I'll add 2 zeros to my original number, and then copy the number itself. So 0, 1, 0, 0. So 1 becomes 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. If I consider 2, that means I'll add 1 0 to my original number, and now I'll copy the number itself. 0, 1, so 1 becomes 0, so 1 become 1, 2, 1, and 0. So now if I consider 1 multiplied by this number will give us 110, and so we have a remainder of 0, and the answer is 15. Alright, that is it on how to multiply and divide binary numbers. If you made it till the end, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Also, hit the like button. Make sure to check out this video on how to add and subtract binary numbers.